In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your Total Wireless phone so you can use it with any compatible carrier, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Mint Mobile, Visible, US Mobile, or even an international SIM card. Basic eligibility requirements. Before your phone can be unlocked, it must be powered on and in working condition, not be reported as lost or stolen, have no fraud indicators, be activated with a Total Wireless airtime plan on that specific device. How long do you need to wait? Phones activated on or after January 20th, 2026. For most current Total Wireless customers, the policy is simple. You must complete 365 days of paid active service. Once eligible, you can request your phone to be unlocked. Most modern devices are unlocked remotely, while some older phones may receive an unlock code. Phones activated before January 20th, 2026. If your phone was activated before January 20th, 2026, different rules may apply depending on the network it originally used. Some older Verizon network devices unlock automatically after 60 days of paid active service. Some older devices originally activated on AT&T or T-Mobile networks require 365 days of paid active service and an unlock request. Important things to know. BYOP devices aren't eligible for unlocking by Total Wireless. Paying off your phone doesn't guarantee unlock eligibility. Lost, stolen, or fraudulent devices cannot be unlocked. No early unlocks for coverage issues or loyal customers. Military exception. If you're an active-duty military customer and receive relocation orders outside the Total Wireless coverage area, you can request an early unlock before completing the standard lock period. Contact Total Wireless customer support for assistance. For more details, check out the full guide linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.